Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Today with the last friends, wow and yeah. Let's do revision as we use. Yeah, let's do revision as we used to do. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, jim, ha, خا دال ذال را زي سين شين صاد ضاد ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال را زي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء It's not like that. Fa. No. Try again. What's wrong? Fa. Qaf. Kaf. Lam. Mim. Noon. Ha. And today, wow. Wow. And yeah. Wow. Yeah. Wow is with one letter. Let's see. Cannot be connected from here. Just like dal, ذال, ra, zay, and alif. So we have now, friends, dal, ذال, ra, zay, and waw and alif. We cannot connect from the left. Just one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Right. But all the letters with two hands. So waw, one-handed letter, like a naughty letter with one hand. So waw at the beginning is like that. It has a right hand but cannot be connected from here. As you see, ra also cannot be connected from here. And there, waw and zay also. Okay, la huwa can be connected from the right only. It cannot connect it from here. So this is waw, just like circle with that curve. Ra is just a curve without any circle. Got it? Right. The last and the final friend, yeah. Final friend is yeah. At the beginning with two dots. Two dots under it. And it has two hands, like any letter, no problem. And here also can be connected. Right. So ba, one dot under the letter, but yeah, two dots under it. Let's do a quick revision. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, dhal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, ضاد, طا, ظا, عين, غين, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, ha, waw, and yeah. Waw and yeah. As you see, yeah at the beginning, two dots. In the middle, two dots. At the end, like that. In the normal Arabic book, you can find two dots under the yeah like that. But we are studying for Quran. So in the Quran, usually it will be like this, and the normal book will be yeah like that. And we will differentiate, inshallah, between the layina, but this is kind of advanced one. So again, we have waw, yeah. Waw, yeah. It's still, inshallah, next class we talk about Hamza. Inshallah. Now remind me, what we have is special about tha and dhal and dha. My tongue is out in these three letters. Tha and dhal and dha. Tha, dhal, dha. Remember? Dal, dha, ra, zay, waw, alif. One-handed letter. It's like a naughty letter with one hand. But the rest of them with two hands. That's it for today. So happy we finished the letters. Alhamdulillah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم.